Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Motion change animated slide. So here I'm gonna give you some motion change animated slide. Change your motion in in your slide. So here, or say for example right here, once we click on this and we click on that, the next one, so we say end of slide. So how to put an animation on that motion changing? Just go to transitions right here. Here transitions we have a lot of transitions right here. We have the morph, so it looks like that. Fade, push, then we'll swipe to the left, split, reveal, cut, see, random bars, shape, uncover, cover, flash, fall over, as you see, drape, curtain, wind, and we have so much more, as you see right there. Now, right, let's say right here you've chosen your transition. Let's say you've chosen the shred right here. There you go. Now we can change its duration. Let's say it takes longer. Why does it take longer? So we can change the duration right here. There you go. Then when it shreds, it's gonna be like 2 seconds. We make it much faster. There you go. 1 second. We make it super faster. So there you go. That was super fast. There you go. So yeah, that's how you change the duration, and you can add sounds if you want. So whenever you get change, there you go. So clapping sound, boom, breeze, camera, loop until next sound. We have the loop until next sound. So loop until next sound, which means the sounds will keep on doing. Let's say if you clap, then you put it on loop until next sound. So what it will do, it will just keep on clapping on that specific slide. There you go. And here we have the other sounds. You can choose from your PC, and then yeah. So yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, after doing that, you can just click on F5 to preview the video, or you can just click on preview right here. Yeah, without making it full screen, you can make it preview right there. There you go, as you can see right there. So yeah, there you go, guys. And we have also the effect options here. We have the strips out, strips, but here the effect options depends on what transition you picked. For example, you pick this one morph. With sound morph, and the morph has a lot of effects. So here are the other effects for the morph. As you see, we have the object, words, and characters. So characters and words. Let's say we're gonna put guide. That one we're gonna put characters right there. As you see, now you can do split. Split has a lot. There we go. Horizontal. We have the horizontal out. We have the vertical in. And there's so much more on every one if each transition, as you see right there. There you go. So there's a lot. It's a lot of there's a lot. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. And a quick tip for you guys: let's say this slide, you don't know if it has a transition or not. All you need to do is look right here. um, Here you will see a star. When you see a star, it means it has a transition right there. There you go. So yeah, that's how you do it. So when it has a star, it means it has a transition. So yeah, hope you guys do, hope you guys enjoy. If you have any more questions, type it in the comment section below, and then we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you guys.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.